Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just making a quick video about this new item that I just got. I won't be doing an install video today. I'll probably be doing it over the weekend and probably post it maybe sometime over the weekend. Hopefully no later than Monday. It all depends on the weather because I've been having some bad days and possibly I'll be going into the weekend. Anyway, so I picked up this item. It's just a cabin air filter. This is going to be for a Toyota Corolla Hatchback. For those who just want the part number, that's the part number in the corner right there, VF2054. I'm not sponsored by this company K&N or anybody that I provide links for, so I will just be giving a quick review over the item. Well, first of all, what is a cabin air filter? So this is a filter that will filter out all the particles that can come through your AC vent. So in the old days, maybe from like early 90s, maybe up to late 90s, a lot of cars didn't even have cabin air filters, and when you turn on your AC to max, you would tend to get a lot of dust coming through your vent, or you might get some leaves or something like that coming through, and a lot of times that the air would be sucked in from around the window wiper area, and all that accumulation of dust and leaves there would just pass through and then come out through your blower motor. So in the newer cars, they developed this cabin air filter which would trap all your particles in this area, and it will keep you from breathing in that dust or whatever it is. It's not 100%, foolproof or whatever, but it does help quite a bit. So why did I pick up this item? Well, to be honest, I didn't really want to pick up the item. It's just that something came up on the Amazon. I ordered this from Amazon, and the other item that I wanted, I would have to pay shipping. I'm not an Amazon Prime member, so figure I pick this up and just make the whatever you want to call it, the limit, so I could get the free shipping. So what's inside the box? It's pretty straightforward. There's nothing really special inside the box. You just get your cabin air filter. It's supposedly pre-oiled, and the material seems okay. It seems like you can get more airflow through this thing. It's not the real reason why I wanted this item. The real reason why I wanted this item is because I wanted it so that it'll be a lower maintenance fee over a longer period of time. Right now I need to save some money, so I spend a little money to save money in the long run. Go figure. So you get your cabin air filter. It installs only one way. Probably it'll be this way because there's a notch here. And it has to be installed one way. So if you do pick up a cabin air filter, whether it's a dealership or aftermarket, they will always have some kind of indicator which way is up and which way is down. If you put it in the wrong way, what's going to happen is that it won't filter as good. So always make sure you check your cabin air filter prior to installing. Usually they might have something in the front here, or they might have a notch like this, or something of that sort. But anyway, so I picked this up, and what else is in the box? You have your sticker to warn others when you take it in for a shop that they do not dispose of your cabin air filter, because this is a reusable, washable air filter. They give you a K&N sticker. Probably will stick it somewhere. And then they just give you some commercials about other items that they're selling. Not really a big fan of the drop-in air filters for the TRD as well as this K&N. I don't like the oil to actually go on the mass airflow sensor. I picked up a Blitz air filter, so in future I'll be making a video whenever it comes in the mail. And yeah, and then you get a quick instruction of how to go about installing. It's pretty straightforward. I'll go through this later when I do install this. So like I said, if you guys are interested in picking up a cabin air filter, or if you want this particular cabin air filter, that is the part number there once again. And like I said, if you want to see the install, please subscribe, like the video, share it. Really will help me out. And hope to see you guys in the install video. Thank you.